Hello, learners. Welcome to today's social studies class. And in today's class, we're looking at the topic titled Drugs and Types. We're going to be looking at the topic titled Drugs and Types. So, in today's class, we're going to be looking at the meaning of drugs, types of drugs, and uses of drugs. So, it promises to be a fun and exciting class. Please stay tuned and learn something new today. Now, meaning of drug. A drug is any substance that affects the body or mind. A drug can simply be defined as any substance that affects the body or mind. Any substance you take into the body that affects your body. It can either make you sick or make you better, or it can affect your mind, affects the way you feel, affects the way you think. Any substance that has the ability to do that is what we refer to as drugs. Drugs affect how people think, behave, and feel. The way they think, the way they behave, the way they feel. Drugs can affect us. Sometimes you might be feeling sick and then you take drugs and then you begin to feel better. Most times there are some drugs that then makes you feel worse than you actually were. There are some drugs you take that makes you feel kind of excited, kind of happy. There are some drugs you take that also make you feel sad and depressed. So drugs has the ability to affect how people think, behave, and feel. Some drugs are used for treatment while others are abused. Some drugs are used for treatment while others can be abused. There are some drugs that are used to treat sicknesses and other stuff, while there are some drugs that are easily abused based on how they make people feel. Now we have three types of drugs that we're going to be looking at today. We have medicinal drugs, social drugs, and hard drugs. We have medicinal drugs, social drugs, and what? Hard drugs. So I'm going to be looking at each of these types of drugs and some simple examples of these types of drugs. Now, medicinal drugs. When we say medicinal drugs, what do we mean? Medicinal drugs are drugs that are used to treat illnesses. As the name implies, medicine, they are drugs used to treat what? Illnesses. They are prescribed by doctors or health workers. Examples are your paracetamols, antibiotics, and many more. So now all these drugs that are used to treat various illnesses, doesn't matter the type of illness, are referred to as what? Medicinal drugs. Any drug used to treat illnesses are called medicinal drugs. Examples are paracetamols, antibiotics, and many more. The next type of drug we're going to be looking at is what we call social drugs. We call it social drugs. Now, these drugs are used socially by adults and can be harmful when abused. Majority of these drugs are used by what? Adults, and they can be harmful when they are abused. That means when they are used in excess, when they are used more than their prescribed use. Examples are alcohol, caffeine, and many more. So alcohol, caffeine, they fall under what we call social drugs. When we use them more than what we are supposed to use them, it's referred to as abusing these substances, and they can be harmful to the health. The next type of drugs we're going to be looking at is what we call hard drugs. Hard drugs are very dangerous and illegal drugs. These drugs are what we refer to as illegal drugs because they are not permitted to use, and people caught using them are most times arrested. Examples are cocaine, heroin, marijuana, and many more. They are very harmful and illegal drugs because they are very easy to abuse, and once these substances are abused, they have some detrimental health effects. They can cause death, sicknesses of all kinds, mental instability, and many more. So these drugs are extremely dangerous and harmful, which is why they are not legal and people are not allowed to use them for any reason whatsoever. So examples of drugs that fall under these categories are cocaine, heroin, marijuana, and others. Now, why do people use drugs? One, people use drugs for illness or pain. Whenever you are sick or in pain, most times drug helps you to feel better. So we take just most of your head aches, you take Panadol. You have stomach ache, you take something for that. you have any form of illness, malaria, fever, you make use of what? Drugs. Number two is curiosity. So people often wonder, oh, what does this drug taste like? Oh, what does this drug do? Or how does this drug make people feel? So most times this curiosity makes people to what? Use drugs. Number three is peer pressure. Because somebody sees his or her friend taking it, they want to like feel among, want to do it, want to take it, and most times it has some very serious detrimental effects. So peer pressures are one of the reasons why people use drugs, just the feeling of wanting to be among and that. Then the next is frustration and many more. So all these are reasons why people do illness, pain, curiosity, peer pressure, frustration, and the likes. So these are the reasons why people use drugs. So I hope you've learned something new in today's class. I hope you learned about what drugs are, the various types of drugs, and the reasons why people use drugs. So I believe the drugs you find around you, you can be able to classify them based on where they belong to: medicinal, hard drug, and social drugs. And while doing that, please make sure you do not take drugs without the prescription of a health practitioner. It is very, very important. As well as drugs always can make us feel better, drugs can also be what? Harmful. So it's important we maintain the line between uses of drug and abuse of drug. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.